For most small streams, a selection of standard flies is all that's necessary. Flies such as hare's ears, pheasant-tail nymphs, stoneflies, and caddisfly pupa will take most fish. A selection of soft-tackled wet flies work well as emerger imitations fished just under the surface film. It's been a long time since I fished down here. Yeah. Oh, good going, Stuart. That looks like a decent fish. And I was about to tell you that you had a fish near you. Oh, that's great. Okay. Oh, this one looks great. Here, wet my net. Get it ready for you. Oh, this is a decent fish. Very good, Stuart.
Thank you, Bill.
I'll let you unhook it and show it to the camera. Now, you were just swinging a wet fly, right?
Swinging a wet fly.
And the pattern, is that same pattern you had on earlier?
Exactly the same pattern I had on earlier.
It's a royal wolf. There we go. What a nice little fish. And he took it on the swing, and he certainly hit it hard, that's for sure. Yeah, well, that's a decent little small string rainbow.
We'll just put him back in, and then we'll go
and away he goes, yeah. Yeah, that was very good, Stuart. So you were just a quarter down?
Quarter down, swing across. Generally, in this stream, the take is almost always on the swing, at the end of the swing. Rarely is it out in the front.
That's right, yeah. It's, usually on dangle. They probably followed it over, and then when it stops, that's when they hit it.
I cast to the foam line. I think he was in the foam line. He followed it across. He thought it was going to get away from him, and he went for it.
Oh, that's great. Wonderful.
Thank you, Bill. Appreciate that.
Oh, great.
Hi, I'm Tom Rosenbauer. Do you want to learn more about this crazy and exciting world of fly fishing? Watch the other videos in this series and subscribe to the channel.